With Europe, the anemic Italian economy is weighing on some of its most disadvantaged areas. Sardinia, second largest island of the country, is seeing its handicraft industry languish, and help doesn't seem to be on the horizon. Laura Law has the story.
Handmade jewelry is one of the many crafts under threat from an economic recession. Traditional handicraft businesses make up 1/5 of Sardinia's economy. In the past 3 years, 3,500 workshops disappeared, and this year, the numbers are growing sharply.
We're in a very negative circumstance. In the first 6 months, 1,000 companies closed out of business. It's mainly due to this severe economic crisis, and it does look like it's turning better as now.
Residents are the first ones to suffer, with many losing their jobs.
On
average, every handicrafts workshop has 3 employees. 1,000 firms closed down would mean 3,000 jobs cut. In the recent 3 years, about 12,000 people lost their jobs.
Sardinia has a relatively isolated economy, and the island's government has limited finances to help firms. The worsening Italian economy is making the island's outlook gloomy for the second half of this year. Laura Law, CCTV.